In the bustling poultry industry, where speed and precision are everything, one client faced a daunting challenge, managing 5,000 invoices daily from 200 delivery vehicles servicing up to 25 retail outlets each. Drivers delivered goods, collected signed invoices, and returned them for manual filing. But when a customer called days later with a complaint or query, finding a single invoice among mountains of paperwork was a nightmare. Enter EasyCloud. We introduced a game-changing solution powered by double QR codes. Each invoice now featured two QR codes, one on the top left and one on the bottom right. Drivers simply snapped a photo of the stamped invoice using our mobile app for the ERP. The app, ensuring quality control, only accepted images with both QR codes visible. From there, the magic happened. Instant tagging, the photo was automatically linked to the customer record. Seamless storage, no more filing cabinets or lost documents, everything was digitized and easily searchable. Real-time reconciliation, discrepancies were resolved in moments, not days. The results: time savings, pinpoint accuracy, faster complaint resolutions, and streamlined operations, setting the stage for effortless growth. EasyCloud turned a cumbersome process into a seamless system, proving that smart, simple tech can deliver big results. Ready to transform your business? Let us help you soar.